Good morning, everyone. Alien 2006 here. Today is Thursday, October 27th, 2011. As you can see on my screen, I have a whole bunch of images here from the sun. Don't worry about these first three up here, which I showed you the other day. I downloaded from 10 through 18 yesterday. I did not have time to make the video because I had to go to work, but here we go. These are the latest images taken from the 26th, and I'm going to start from the bottom here to show you the timeline for these first five, which is basically the last five images that were taken by the observer. So let's take a look. This is number 18 that I named number 18. There's hundreds of these pictures. So let's open it up. Let's go right here. Again, I'm going to do what I did before, which is shrink it up, because I do want to start showing you. This is the one taken at 14:06:30, so that's 2:06. Here's one object, okay, and we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and leave it open that wide. I know we have that thing going down through here, but before I show you, but the image is up here, so we should be okay. No distortion should come from it. So here we go. Here's object number one. And again, look at this. It's incredible, the size that this thing must be. Look at that. And again, distorting all the area, blocking whatever, the solar heliosphere. It's definitely distorting it. So let's go ahead and zoom out. And again, there's the behind. And you can find these images yourself. I'll pull up the website because for some reason it's not letting me post the actual website that I pulled these from, and you're all asking. So here we go. That's picture one. So the image is right here, taken at 14:06. So let's go ahead and close this one, and let's go to the next one. This one was taken at 14:16:30. All right. So here we go. The object is now over here to the left, and let's zoom. There it is. Look at this, guys. Again, it was in the middle, towards the top. Now it's over here. And take a look at this thing. I mean, definitely there is a structure here, and you can kind of make out, it kind of comes around, almost space shuttle looking. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm getting out of it. Let me zoom back out, and again, this is the one taken right there at 14:16. Make that a little bigger. There we go. All right, so there's that object. Now let's move on to the next one, which I named 16. This one was taken at 14:36. Go ahead and come up here. Now here, this is interesting because we have this object here. We have something going on down here, and definitely something up here. Let me zoom in first to this first object over here. Again, you can definitely see something. These are not anomalies taken by of the images themselves. These are definitely structures. And again, here we see, and we have seen this particular image in other images that I've taken. And I'm going to go ahead and the only thing I can adjust on here, as you can see, is color and black levels. So let's make this a little brighter so you can actually see that object right there. There it comes. Look at that. There it is. There's definitely something there. And again, I have seen this particular structure in a whole bunch of other videos and images, excuse me. Let me reset it. Again, there's nothing I can do to change it except I can do brightness, saturation, those kind of things. And there is that. So again, there's that object, there's that one, and then down here at the bottom, we saw this. And again, I'm not sure exactly what that is. Could just be a little extra from the heliosphere. So there's that one. All right, let's move on. I'm not saving the image because I changed a little. So there we go. So let's see, that was 15. So let's go, I believe that was 15. Let's see, 15. No, that was 14. Here, this one was taken at 14:46:30. Let me get this more in the middle. Now this one I am going to bring up just because I know that thing is there, and I have this image down here. Now you guys remember the image that I showed you right prior to this one was up here with that shape. Well, here's the image a little closer, and this definitely has something there. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this a little bit brighter so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There it is, right there. It looks like something facing the moon. I mean the sun, excuse me. And you know, what can I tell you except I'm only showing you what I see and what I have found so far. So there's that guy. Now up here, there it is the other object. And here we go, there it is. Again, there is something here distorting, and I for the life of me cannot explain what it is, except there's something going around our sun. Either it's watching it, it's taking, I don't know what these things are doing. So many crazy things are happening, and again, not sure what is going on. Let's move on to the next one. It's going to be a little bit of a lengthy video, and again, here's the object. Let's zoom in. I want to show you it's still hanging around. These are, again, not anomalies. As you can see, the timeline, there we go, 1456. I started at 14, so, you know, something is going on here, and don't know what it is. Let's go on to the next one. This one I took from 15. Now, this is an interesting image because you really don't see much until you get up here, and let's zoom. Now, this object, for some reason, is away from all the heliosphere. But here it is. Look at this. This thing is, again, it's huge. It's amazing. Let's go ahead and see if we can brighten this up a little bit. Let's bring that white level up so you can see. Definitely a structure here. Everything is green, and then when whatever bounces off of this, you start to see that yellow right there, but it's actually white if I reset this. It looks dark green, and as you go, let me go ahead and sharpen that thing up a little bit. Alright, there we go. As you can see, it gets really bright here. So to me, that says there is an object there, probably metallic of some sort, that is reflecting all this light, and that's why it is so bright around the middle. So, alright, we're going to cut that sucker down. Let's go to 12. Again, interesting. Now this image, it's showing the object right here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to zoom in quite a bit. And there we go. Again, as you can see, it's really bright. I haven't touched this. It's all reset. And there it is. Let's go ahead and sharpen it up a little bit. And let's bring that white level down so we can actually see a little more of it. There you go. Definitely something distorting. Again, that middle, bright. Can't tell you what it is. Don't know what it is. I just know that it's reflecting light. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. It's just amazing what they're doing, and as fast as I can pull these off of the site, especially the LASCO 2 videos that I posted, you cannot find that stuff anymore. So I'm trying to pull up the data as quickly as I can. Here's the object again. Now it's over here. Again, these cannot be anomalies. Look, there's that bright center. And again, reflecting light of some sort. So, guys, I don't know. I'm just, again, passing along the information. And this was one of the first ones I took. Now, this one here shows an object here and an object up here. Let's start with this one, which to me kind of looks like a swastika a little bit. Look at that. Let's go ahead and zoom in again. And again, guys, take a look. That center, it's really bright. It's reflecting light of some sort. And take a look at that. There we go. There's definitely an object here. And let's go ahead and sharpen it again. And let's bring that white level down. And there you go. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Pass this information along to as many people as you want. I have no problem with that. Share my video. Let's get as many people involved as we can. This information needs to be out there. Nobody is for whatever reason, saying anything about these things that are going around our sun. And I'd like to know what is going on. Guys, Alien 2006, I really appreciate, like I said, you guys watching all my videos. And hope to have some new LASCO 2, maybe some LASCO 3s videos that I'm going to be working on this morning. Have a great day, guys. Be good humans.